Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you know already, my name is Nora. Well, if you might know. I don't even know why I'm back. I just kind of felt like recording, so that's what we're doing today. So obviously we're doing makeup. I don't really know what. I'm just gonna start and then we'll see how it goes. First we gotta remove our rings. Before we start or whatever, I just want to appreciate my hair today. Do you see this? It looks so good. Okay, so first we're gonna go to my moisturizer. I totally forgot to take off my mascara, so I just did that as well. I'm gonna add my e.l.f. What's it called? Eye cream. Now I'm just gonna go straight into makeup. So I don't want to do too much with my eyebrows today. We're only gonna do a little bit because I don't want to be too much. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows in with a little bit of this Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow thing, not eye thing. Life update. Today is the start of Memorial Day break. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm sick of school, guys. But yeah, school is just bad. I don't know how I feel with my eyebrows. I always suck at doing my eyebrows. Like, I love it, but I always do too much or just like still not good at it. Okay, it doesn't look good. Okay, they're not really even, but they never are, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Also, I'm sorry if I'm doing like so much hair motions. I don't know why I just always do that, so you know that, please. Now it's time for foundation, and I just got this like a month ago or something. So I just got this, but I love this. This is the Performer. I don't know what it says because I ran out, whatever. This is the All About Face, About Face foundation from Halsey. Oh my god, guys. I literally have like dry and oily skin, and it's just perfect. And it's such a good match. Like, I did such a good shade match. I'm so proud of myself. I use this both for foundation and concealer, but since today we're doing Philippi, I'm gonna just use this as foundation. Also, ignore this right there. That is from me laying and taking a nap and laying my bracelets. It's been happening lately. It's never happened before. I don't know why it's just happening all of a sudden. It's not making any sense, but whatever. I'm just gonna take a brush and just blend it out. I really hope this recorder app works, because it's my first time of using this app. I don't know what app I use when I use to record. So like, I don't know. And I practiced and it looked fine, but I only practiced for like 2 seconds, so I don't know how it's gonna do with like a 15-minute video. We'll see. And this foundation is very light coverage, but it's like it's buildable, and I just feel like it looks so good on my skin. It doesn't like dry out my skin because it's hydrating, but it's not too hydrating like that. Like, it's wet, you know, like looks wet. At least I don't think so. I look like a ghost right now, but just, you know. And I have this Urban Decay, right? Concealer. Don't love this stuff. But I'm gonna mix it with one of my other concealers because I want to use it because it's full coverage, and I like that, but it's just not good, you know. It's so drying. So we're gonna have this NYX Hydrating Concealer. This is also like, I heard that's like bad with acne, so like I'm gonna break out. But it's okay, I always do, so whatever. But okay, we're gonna do another life update. I'm a freshman in high school, not middle school. I'm almost done. I have like literally like 3 weeks left, and then I'm gonna be a sophomore. Well, it's gonna be summer, then I'm gonna be a sophomore. Kind of terrified because this year sucked, but I don't know. I have my regents in like 2 weeks. Terrified. Well, more than that actually, because they're after school. I'm not prepared at all. I have so much extra concealer, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Guys, it actually looks good today. It didn't do bad today. A round of applause for that concealer. Saved my life. Okay. Now I'm taking like way too much time doing makeup. That's great. It's like I can't see like the time because it doesn't show me for some weird reason. That's why I'm kind of scared about this app. Like, what if it's not gonna save it all? Anyway, this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. Also, just want to tell you guys, I've grown with my makeup, guys. I promise I won't look like a crazy psycho like I did in those other videos. I put them back up because my friends wanted to see them, and like I'm not that embarrassed. I used to be really embarrassed about the videos. I still am. Like, if someone finds this video, I'm gonna drop dead. But like my other videos, I don't care. I was like a child, so whatever. Plus, it's literally only my family, like my family members or like my family's friends, so I don't really care. But yeah, hi family, and maybe some of my friends. Also, guys, I just want you to appreciate, like, I always talk about this, but my hair today. Like, guys, my hair has grown since I've been gone. I don't think you understand the process of making my hair curly. It's a little messy today. I don't know why, but it's hot, so that's probably why it's humid. Maybe going a little crazy. Next is my Rare Beauty blush in the shade Happy. we all gotta be happy someday. Sometimes. But yeah, I really have no idea what I'm gonna do with my makeup. I don't even know why I'm doing all this. Probably should have done my eyes first, because I don't want to mess up. That's like quite embarrassing. Something I did grown. And then I mess up. That looks insane because from me laying on my pooping bracelets. Do not make fun of me for saying that. My family watches these videos. I'm not gonna, guys. I promise you, fam. I promise you. My eyelids, I don't know if you can see, but they're so dry. I don't know what's happening. Like, I heard that's maybe because of dehydration, which we all know I got dehydration. Well, no one probably knows except my family, but I got dehydration. Problems. I never drink water. Don't do that, guys. You will regret it. I learned the hard way. Guys, there's another part where I was laying on my bracelets. I'm gonna go insane. Like, I don't even know what I do in my sleep. Like, it just, I do so much random things when I'm sleeping. Like, anyway, next is this Fit Me Maybelline New York powder. I just got this also when I got my foundation. I like this stuff so far, but I've also heard that this breaks you out. Right. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day, guys. I don't even know if you guys care, but I'm going to a concert next month for Niall Horan. I went to one earlier this year. No, I'm sorry, yeah, don't get angry at me. I think it's May. Or is it April? I can't remember my months. I had to take it, but I don't feel like finding it. Well, looking at it, getting up. But yeah, it was Fall Out Boy. That's what it was. It was good. Slay. But yeah, I'm sorry. Like, I literally don't know what's happening. I'm just trying to do multiple things at once, and it's not working out well, as you can see. Now to prime my eyelids, just so I can have a smooth base. We're gonna get this crappy old, what's it called, powder. That's what I had before my Fit Me powder. Fit Me saved my life because, do you see this? I still have my old one. I don't know why I have this, like, nothing in it. I can't throw out my makeup. Like, is that insane? Like, I have, like, a really old product, but I just, like, what if I want to use, like, do a weird thing when I get older? Like, use my first one? I don't know. I don't know what's going on in my brain. Also, this video is, like, definitely right now, like, 30 minutes long. I've been talking so much. I go, why does my skin kind of look flawless? It's inside. Oh! I'm taking that out. I'm taking that out. No. Okay, now we're starting with makeup. I literally don't know what to do. Like, I'm kidding. I had an idea, but like it's not there. So we're gonna start from scratch. This is very much off topic, but I just did my sister's prom makeup, and I used to lay that. And I did her hair. I'm amazing, guys. I'm like literally the best sister ever. Like, anyone could wish for. Imagine having a sister that could do your hair and makeup, and still slay. And I also do that for homecoming, and I have homecoming with her. Y'all, I literally have no time to get ready for myself, and I'm not even joking. Like, every dance that I've had, I was stressing, and like, no time. Anyway, we're starting. So I'm just gonna start with this yellow-ish color, brown color, called Optimistic. Do not make fun of me. This is from the Beauty Bay New Mood palette. Why am I using such a We're not doing that. Oh, guys, you need this. If you do makeup, you need this. This is a thing just to like clean off your brushes. During when you're like doing makeup looks like this, it's a lifesaver. They're obviously not clean, but it just gets the extra eyeshadow off. It's a life changer. Like, I'm not even kidding. It's beautiful. Whoever made this, invented that, at least figured it out. Not invented, but figured it out. I love you. I just know my dad's been so happy when he sees this video. And then it's for you, Dad. I literally don't know why I'm doing this. I'm gonna probably cry when I make this video because I don't want anyone to find this video. Anyways, we're gonna go with this lilac, I think, color. It's called Focused. Oh my god, why am I making such weird faces? Dude, I gotta stop. This is not the video where I'm supposed to make weird faces because what if people miss? Anyway, we're just doing the same thing. I'm talking about too much. You know what? We're just gonna keep talking, and then I'll just edit it all out and regret my life for talking so much. I think I did this makeup look before anyway. We're gonna go with this color, dab off a little bit, and just put it in the end of my eyelid. It looks like What does he look like? Lakers! Isn't it basketball? Lakers! Look at me, guys. I know you guys are proud of me. Well, Dad, I know you're proud of me. I know I'm basketball. I know. It's hilarious. I wasn't even planning on doing makeup today. I was gonna do it like Monday. Today's definitely not Monday. I know I'm gonna regret this because I don't want to like wash my face. Well, I'm gonna wash my face, but I like don't want to like have makeup all over me. I'm gonna make it all over me. Obviously, I already do. So. I'm also really scared to exit out, so like I'm not even listening to music. I'm listening to silence. It's really depressing. Like really. For some reason, this makeup reminds me of like a singer. I don't know her name. I think it's Grimes, or it's the other girl. But yeah, like it reminds me of like a singer. Tell me, guys. Just comment below what you think. I gotta tell you a story. So the reasons why like I took down like all my videos was because this creepy guy, I don't even know what it said. I couldn't forget. But he said something and it freaked me out. So I privated all my videos. And that was when like you guys couldn't watch my videos. I'm so sorry. I don't know why. I kind of forget why that happened. But he said it's probably like something that's stupid. And I just freaked out as like a little child. Little me. Alright, little me. I'm acting as if like 2 years ago it was like actually no. It was like 2020 when I first posted my video, right? Right, guys? My fans, come on. Dad, tell me. I don't know. Amber, well, yeah, Amber, you probably would know. Because you're a stalker. Anyway, what? I just realized I'm, like, name dropping you guys. Like, my friends. I don't know if you guys want that. Actually, no. Amber, you said you wanted your name to be in this video. So, there you go. There you go. I remember you saying that a while ago. Beth, well, guess what? Your name dropped. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. My sister and me are gonna go to the thrift store tomorrow. I'm so excited because last time I went to the thrift store we're going to, I got such a cute shirt. My sister got it like she doesn't wear it, but we got it for both of us. It's literally my favorite shirt. Like I feel so pretty in it. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, even though half my friends already know what it is because I literally told them. Actually, no, like none of my friends do. Amber, you do. You know, you do. Something that's so off around these and it's just bothering me. I feel like I was like trying not to be weird this video, but like I feel like I'm being weirder like I've ever been. I don't know why. Like I don't know what's happening to me, guys. I think today I was like in a silly goofy mood because it's break. Well, it's not really break. Memorial weekend. I'm figuring out if I want to put eyeliner. I really want to, but like if I mess up, I'm dead for it. So, you know what, just a little bit of eyeliner. We're just gonna do like eyeshadow eyeliner. You'll see what I mean when I do it after. Also, this is what it looks like. But if you're wondering where I'm posting now, because I don't post on really YouTube anymore, obviously. I post on my TikTok a lot. Not a lot. Just like once like every month maybe. And I sometimes show my makeup. So if you want to see that, I'll put them in the description. If you want to see it. I'm gonna do some back eyeliner. In my waterline, and then I'm just gonna put mascara on, and I'll be right back. I kind of forgot my glitter. I'm gonna add like a little bit of yellow, like random gold glitter, and I'll be right back too. I don't really like it, so I'm not adding that too much. This is definitely like my school colors now. Okay, this is with mascara. I just want to tell you guys, this mascara is gorgeous. I got this from my Nana from Christmas. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. People like don't love it, but I love it. Do you see this, Lush? This one's really bad, but do you see this? Sometimes it doesn't work out, and I don't know how expensive it is, but I got it from Christmas. I'm not gonna buy it again, probably. I'm not, but I love this stuff. It's definitely a cheaper version of it. I have a definitely feeling, but if you want to be like feel cool, I recommend the Too Faced one. I think we're done with my eyes now. We're gonna go in with a NARS bronzer. NARS. You understand that if you don't have TikTok, by the way. Sorry, but I think I used this in my old videos, I believe. Right? I definitely did. I've had it as that long. I don't know how old. Maybe in my recent-ish video. Recent Except This One video. But yeah. It's still going strong. I had it. It's like 3 years old. Like I still got it though. I'm like, guys, why is my makeup like actually eating? Like why does it look so good today? Oh my god. Guys, I can finally prove to you that I've grown with my makeup, okay? I don't look those old videos. Oh my god, like I'm tearing up thinking about it so bad. I'm sorry. You guys actually supported me in those videos. I look like trash. Oh my god. Are you calling me dramatic because I'm tearing up? I have like a tearing problem. Like I just cry over like a quick change of emotions, which probably sounds crazy, but it's true. Now I'm gonna use this Milani blush. You know who my best guy for me? Thank you. I love it. I'm just gonna put like I'm going crazy, like actually. School's making me go insane. Gosh, you see the difference. And if I don't know, I love putting my blush like up here. Like not up there, but like right there. Just like I feel like it blends more like with like my bronzer. I just think it looks really pretty. I put so much right there, it's really bothering me. No, don't do that, don't do that. Don't do that. I'm gonna be very happy when you see the next step. Ready? Highlighter. It's the OG. Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Still going strong. Same exact one. I don't really use this as much, but I'm still gonna use it. But as a base, I'm gonna use this Rachel eyeshadow palette, Friends Extra Revolution. I like using this on a break. This is what I do. I use this as my base now, just because I like the color of it. I feel like it matches better with this. I want to get the Wet n Wild. I think Wet n Wild has a color like this. I want to get that because I can't cheat. Like, I feel like I'm cheating. I still have to add at least the teensiest bit of my Pookie. Like, this is like my life or death. I've had this same exact one for so long that like I have to at least incorporate it in my look somehow. Okay, now it's time for lippies. I'm gonna go with like my everyday lip combo. I don't know if I did this in like, my old video, but this I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I love this liner. It just is perfect. I'm gonna show you. And this, this Morphe 2 Good Talk blotted matte lipstick, shade Pink Plucker. This is kind of dry, but like I don't care because it's a perfect shade, like lip color. It's like your lip color, but like better. Just look at that. This lip combo. I love it. Kind of really match with the look, does it? Whatever. It always matches. It always matches. That's my face. Now, last step is to use my side mist thing, whatever. I'm gonna be taking off literally right after this video, so I don't know why I'm doing it. Whatever. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I don't really know if like that was like kind of tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial. It was just like it was a tutorial, catch up, and I don't even know. Like a guide. That's a tutorial. Wait, I don't know. But I hope you like this video. I don't think I'm gonna really post again, no offense, anytime soon. Maybe a few years again. We'll see how I feel. I don't even know if I'm gonna be posting this video. Like I really don't. But yeah, that's actually guys, it's actually sad. Like I actually want to record more. But that's it, I think. That's the end of the video. So yeah. Please like and subscribe if you want. No offense, don't really care. I'm just doing this for my family and friends practically. But yeah, have a good day. See ya.